Hello and welcome. I would like to introduce you to Vaisala's MGP260 series of probes for biogas and renewable natural gas production. These instruments are helping engineers and plant operators monitor methane, carbon dioxide, and water vapor by measuring directly in the process without the need for complex sampling systems. We understand that maintenance activities are costly, both in time and money, and that calibrating sensors or servicing a sample conditioner is not anyone's favorite task. And sometimes it can be difficult to have trained personnel on site to perform those services. Offering stable, real-time, continuous data with no moving parts or consumables, the MGP260 probes reduce the need for maintenance and calibration from monthly to annually or even further, equating to a roughly 90% decrease in service time and a much lower total cost of ownership than a traditional extractive analyzer. Built on the accuracy and reliability of Vaisala's CarboCap technology and more than 45 years of industrial process experience, the MGP260 series probes differentiate themselves in the market with unique capabilities. The MGP261 is our full-featured model for methane, carbon dioxide, and humidity, offering the only full-range in situ moisture measurement that is hydrogen sulfide compatible. This measurement reduces risk to other equipment, helps save energy, and contributes to more accurate carbon accounting. The MGP261 is suitable for many different installation locations, including the raw biogas stream, after moisture removal, after gas separation, or before flare line diverters. Identical in form is the MGP262, which is our tail gas or off-gas model for RNG upgrading, delivering low-level methane measurement along with full-range CO2 measurement. These probes help monitor the methane slip from your upgrading system in real time with high accuracy, giving greater control over the process and quickly alerting operators to upstream issues. They can also be used for demand control switching of the separation media, maximizing the potential uptime for each membrane or column. Rated for Class 1 Div 2 environments, the MGP260 series probes monitor safely with more installation flexibility in more challenging environments. There is no need for an additional structure to bring a sample to or heat tracing to consume electricity. The common 1.5-inch NPT threaded interface allows for direct installation or through a 2-inch ball valve, and the optional flow-through accessory allows for a wider variety of installation options. This flexibility also extends to the probe's communications, which include 3 4-20 milliamp outputs and Modbus RTU. Additionally, our free Vaisala Insight software can be used to view and graph data while providing the interface for field calibration, configuration, or troubleshooting. These instruments are intuitive and easy to use, maximizing uptime, supporting automation, and making quality, affordable measurement accessible to a wider variety of systems. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, reach out to us at vaisala.com, where you'll also find complete product specifications, manuals, application notes, webinars, and customer success stories.